you how you can add a second user or a staff account into BigCommerce account. So you can see here, this is a BigCommerce store. So first of all, you need to back or log into your BigCommerce store. Okay. So after that, you need to go in account settings. After account settings, you need to click on user, and then you need to create a new user account. Okay, now you need to write here, for example, any email address. Okay, and you can see here sales staff account, and you can also change the roles of manager, store administrator, custom. You can change any role, and you can select all the permission from here. You can also untick these permissions. Okay, after this, you need to click on save. When you save this, so you can see here, account created successfully, instruction for activating their account has been emailed to the user. Okay, so this email is sent. Now user need to accept your invitation, and you, he can access all your account. Okay.